Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a new task list in your account on OneTask. So let us begin. Launch the OneTask app on your device. I will go with the OneTask app on my desktop computer. Here guys, you will see the list of all associated accounts. I will go with this one for the sake of this tutorial. So to create a new task list, click into this button, give the name like, I don't know, sports and workout or something like that, or fitness, and then click into this plus button to create a new list. Now if you click into these three dots here, you will be given the opportunity to rename it, delete the task list, create a new one, or click into it to add more tasks to it here. You may also sort the tasks within the given list. For example, if your task list features several of them. And that's it guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.